Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0741 pertains to the torque converter clutch circuit, indicating a performance issue or that the system is stuck in the off state. This error typically affects the continuously variable transmission, CVT, and can lead to poor engine performance, increased fuel consumption, or shifting problems. The torque converter clutch plays a crucial role in connecting the engine to the transmission seamlessly, allowing for efficient power transfer while minimizing slippage. It is located within the vehicle's transmission assembly. When this DTC is triggered, it often signifies an underlying problem with the clutch circuit that needs immediate attention to avoid complications in the vehicle's drivability. Users should employ Honda's HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, for accurate diagnostics and data retrieval to support the troubleshooting process. In summary, understanding the role of the torque converter clutch in the continuously variable transmission is critical for any technician or vehicle owner. DTC P0741 signifies that there is a performance issue or that the system is stuck off, requiring immediate diagnostic attention. Proper troubleshooting steps, along with thorough inspections of critical components such as the shift solenoid valve B and CVT lockup clutch control solenoid, facilitate effective resolution of the issue. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance practices like regular fluid checks and timely changes can significantly enhance vehicle reliability and performance. By summarizing these key points, it's clear that proactive measures and informed diagnostics lead directly to improved driving safety and vehicle longevity. The torque converter clutch, TCC, is critical for optimal performance within the continuously variable transmission, CVT. As the vehicle accelerates, the TCC engages and allows for a direct connection between the engine and transmission. This eliminates unnecessary slippage, resulting in better fuel economy and smoother acceleration. The TCC is located inside the vehicle's transmission assembly, requiring a detailed inspection of this area when addressing code P0741. If the TCC is faulty, the vehicle may experience low power, increased RPMs, and stalling when in gear. Understanding the role of the TCC in the CVT is essential for troubleshooting and repair, as it directly impacts vehicle performance and efficiency. Several possible causes can trigger DTC P0741. A faulty shift solenoid valve B may fail to operate as intended, thereby preventing proper function of the torque converter clutch. Additionally, if the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve is malfunctioning, it can hinder the ability to engage the torque converter clutch correctly. Contaminated transmission fluid can also disrupt the system, as dirt or debris can clog filters and impede fluid flow. Lastly, wiring or connector faults can create issues in communication between the various components, leading to erroneous transmission signals. Proper diagnosis must assess each of these possibilities to identify the root cause behind the trouble code accurately. When DTC P0741 is active, drivers may experience several symptoms indicative of a problem with the torque converter clutch circuit. One primary symptom is engine stalling, especially when the vehicle is in gear, leading to safety hazards during operation. Additionally, drivers may notice poor acceleration, where the engine revs up without corresponding vehicle speed increases, indicating slippage. Increased fuel consumption is another concern as the vehicle struggles to operate efficiently. The transmission may feel like it's slipping, causing a lack of control, and ultimately, the check engine light will illuminate to alert the driver. Understanding these symptoms is essential as it helps assess the severity of the issue and the urgency of the required repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0741 involves verifying the problem through a series of steps. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the on position, which activates the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, utilize Honda's HDS to clear any existing DTCs, ensuring you're working with a clean slate. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, which is indicated when the radiator fan engages. After that, drive the vehicle and maintain a speed of approximately 37 miles per hour for several seconds. This allows the system to assess the performance under typical conditions. Finally, use the HDS to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If P0741 appears, it confirms that the failure is duplicated, and you should proceed to the next step. In the second step of troubleshooting, focus on inspecting the shift solenoid valve B, an integral component in the transmission that controls the flow of transmission fluid. This solenoid is responsible for shifting gears and providing appropriate power distribution. By checking its operational status, you can determine if it functions correctly. If the shift solenoid valve B operates properly, it indicates that this part is not the source of the issue, allowing you to progress to the next diagnostic step. Conversely, if it's found to be defective, immediate replacement is necessary to restore proper function within the system. This step is crucial as it narrows down the potential causes of the DTC and directs attention to potentially faulty components. The third troubleshooting step involves inspecting the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve. This solenoid plays a vital role in enabling the torque converter clutch to engage and disengage effectively. Proper functionality is essential for maintaining optimal performance during driving conditions. After performing the inspection, evaluate whether the solenoid operates properly. If it does, you must check the condition of the drained transmission fluid for contamination. Dirty fluid can significantly affect performance. If the fluid is found to be clean, further investigation into the torque converter may be necessary. However, if the solenoid is dysfunctional, replacement is warranted. This step ensures that all critical paths of potential failure are examined, helping to isolate the cause of DTC P0741. After completing the necessary repairs, it is essential to verify that the issue has been resolved. Use the HDS once again to check if DTC P0741 reemerges. This confirmation ensures that the corrective actions taken addressed the specific problem. Following the diagnostic check, conduct a test drive to assess real-world performance, confirming that the torque converter clutch functions smoothly during various driving conditions. Pay close attention to acceleration, slip behavior, and engine performance to ensure everything operates efficiently. Only once all observations align with normal operation should you conclude that the vehicle is now in working order. Reliable verification legitimizes the repair process, ensuring customer satisfaction and vehicle safety. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0741 or similar issues in the CVT. Regular inspections of transmission fluid play a vital role, as clean and uncontaminated fluid aids in effective gear shifting and smooth vehicle performance. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for timely fluid changes, as breakdowns over time can lead to operational failures. Additionally, inspecting solenoids periodically can help catch potential issues before they escalate into significant problems. Proper maintenance not only prolongs the life of the vehicle's transmission system, but also ensures a smoother and more fuel-efficient driving experience. Implementing these practices can greatly reduce the likelihood of future DTC activations. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.